to the people of God, to the church, and against you. Thou shalt bruise his heel, and they shall bruise the head. Brethren, this is the first prophecy in the Bible. But what God said to Abraham, and unto the woman he said, he did not ask them anything, but he immediately stated the judgment. God is justice and mercy brothers. He has mercy, he has his mercy, and he also showed the justice. And unto the woman he said, I will greatly multiply thy sorrow and thy conception. In sorrow thou shalt bring forth children, and thy desire shall to thy husband, and he shall rule over thee.